Welcome! Discover how aromatherapy can easily be incorporated into your daily life to support overall well-being.
Let's start with a brief introduction to the calming world of essential oils and aromatherapy. Aromatherapy uses natural plant extracts to promote health and well-being. Its benefits include mood boosting and stress relief, simply through inhalation or topical application. It's important to safely incorporate essential oils into your daily routines. We'll show you simple, safe ways to do this. Start your day with an aromatic energy boost to awaken your senses and prepare for the day ahead. Try diffusing bright citrus oils like lemon or sweet orange while you get ready. Their vibrant scents are naturally uplifting and energizing. For an invigorating shower, add a couple of drops of peppermint oil to the steam. This can help clear your mind and promote deep breathing. Aromatherapy can be an excellent tool for maintaining focus and managing stress, even in a busy work environment. If you need a concentration kick, use a personal inhaler with oils like rosemary or eucalyptus. This provides a quick, direct aromatic experience without disturbing colleagues. During breaks, apply a rollerball blend of soothing lavender or calming chamomile to your pulse points to quickly relieve tension and stress. You can also incorporate aromatherapy into safe, do-it-yourself cleaning products, ditching harsh chemicals for natural, pleasant scents. Create an effective all-purpose cleaner using water, white vinegar, and purifying essential oils like tea tree and lemon. These oils have natural antimicrobial properties. For a refreshing linen spray, mix water and witch hazel with relaxing lavender and uplifting bergamot to spritz on bedding and clothes. Transitioning to a peaceful night is essential for well-being. Aromatherapy can help signal your body it's time to rest. Before bedtime, diffuse grounding scents like cedarwood or vetiver. These deep, woody aromas promote a sense of calm and prepare you for sleep. Indulge in a soothing bath soak by adding essential oils like ylang-ylang or frankincense mixed with a carrier oil or Epsom salts for maximum relaxation. Aromatherapy offers simple, natural ways to enhance your daily life, from boosting energy to promoting restful sleep and safe cleaning. Integrating aromatherapy is easy. Just a few drops can transform your morning, enhance your focus at work, and even revolutionize your cleaning supplies. Remember to always use high-quality essential oils and properly dilute them, especially for topical use, to ensure safety and effectiveness.
Thank you for watching. Please leave your comments in the box below. Like, share, or subscribe for more videos.